Hello. Let's start again. Hello. So in this video, we're going to focus on de-stressing after a busy day. So whatever that day is, family, friends, work, it's been busy, you want to de-stress, your body's tense, your neck, your mind is overly active, and we're going to switch it all off. So we're going to keep it short and simple, almost get straight into there. But the practice we're going to do to do the de-stress is a body scan. And by doing the body scan, we're simply drawing our awareness to the head, to the neck, to the shoulders, to the areas that we're carrying the stress, the areas that are holding the emotions. We're not going to judge them. We're not going to actually even actively try to get rid of them. But through the observing, they shift. So rather than me kind of talk a little more, we're just going to get into this one. So wherever you are, find a cushion, find a seat, ideally upright, but if you need to lie down, that's also fine. And bring your attention to your breath. We'll just take 3 deep breaths. And 1 more. And wherever you're sitting right now, even if it's on your commute back home, if you're feeling a little agitated, a little anxious, and you're hyper aware of any sounds around you, just allow those sounds to be. Allow the world around you to be. We can't control the world, and we don't have the energy right now to fight the world. So just allow those sounds to be. Withdraw your attention from the world around, bringing it back into the body and into your breath. Just come into the breath. And as you come into the breath, just allow your shoulders to become a little heavier. Allow your arms to become heavy by your sides. And feel your hands just loosen a little. Make a fist if it helps, then let go. Just coming into the breath. Feeling the shoulders get a little looser. Feeling the arms heavier by your sides. Your hands more relaxed. And now draw your attention to your neck, to your jaw. Just allow your jaw to become a little looser. And come to the top of your head. Just imagining a string being attached there. And just imagine dangling from the string that's attached to the top of your head. Allowing the world to be, allowing all sounds, whatever's happening around you, just let it be. Just feel yourself suspended from the string. Feeling your neck just lengthen a little. feel your spine get a little straighter, a little longer, and your arms heavier. Now we're going to simply observe the body a little more, working down from the back of the head. Just be aware of whatever sensations you have in the back of your skull. It might be tense, even stiff, or it could be a little lower for you down into the shoulders. But whatever you're feeling, don't label it as positive or negative, or as even as something you want to be rid of. But just observe and we allow the muscles to relax. We allow attention to be there. And rather than it being gripped tightly in the neck or the shoulders or the back of the skull, we allow it to move, to dissipate through the arms, down the spine. So keep your awareness moving now down the spine, leaving the neck and the shoulders. We don't want to linger on where we're feeling the tension, wherever that is. We continue down the spine, down around the ribs. Feel the ribs round across into the chest. Take another breath, breathing into the ribs, allowing any tension there to release. And if there's any tension in the sternum, the very center of your chest, again, just to draw your attention, allow it to be. And allow your breath to do its work. Now moving your attention lower, your attention lower. And as you move your attention, the tension moves down, down the back. And just pause around your belly, observing around there. Around your pelvis, and just sit with those feelings, those tensions. Avoiding any stories we might be holding of why we're feeling this way, or who caused us to feel this way. But again, just to simply observe. Now move the attention, moving the attention down through the legs, through the legs to the feet. Just allowing the world around us to be. Just imagine a blanket wrapping around you now. A light blanket. Just around your shoulders, around your legs. And this blanket gently absorbs whatever you've been carrying today. the weight, the burden, the stress that you've taken on is gently shifted into this blanket, this light blanket. Just feel this light blanket bringing its lightness through your neck, through your shoulders and arms. Feeling this light blanket now even beginning to emanate a gentle light. Just observing this light and the lightness that it brings. Observing the body. So starting from the top of the head now again, we draw down. From the top of the head now and across the face, becoming aware of any tension on your face, on your brow, around your eyes, your jaw. Just adding a little more detail now to the awareness. Moving down. Feel the lightness of this blanket across your shoulders, over the clavicle, the scapula. Feeling your biceps now, them lightening, loosening, your forearms loosening, your hands becoming free, your fingers loose. And as we continue, you feel each rib now, the blanket, this lightness touching each rib, starting at the top of your chest. Just feel this lightness traveling from one rib down to the next, down to the next. Gently rolling like a wave up and down over the ribs. Bringing its lightness down into the belly. In the same way, this lightness, you feel the blanket down your spine. Vertebra by vertebra. The world around you vanishing. It's still there, with whatever noises or sounds, lights, smells. But none of that matters because you're becoming lighter. You're letting go. Just feel now finally this blanket again around your legs. Any tension in your quads, your hamstrings, through your knees down to your calves. And finally to your feet. Now gently allow this blanket to dissolve so it becomes pure light, surrounding you and permeating you, allowing this light to enter your body, to fill your belly and your chest, and to bring calm to your mind. So now allow this cord from the top of your crown reaching up to the stars to disconnect. If you feel you want to sink a little, becoming heavier, even rolling your head a little forward. Just sinking into the body. Allowing everything to become loose, the shoulders, the back, the neck. And if you may need to make a little stretch, a little rotation of the neck, of the head, do whatever you need to do now. As we come back into the body, lighter, calmer and stiller, ready to open our eyes. How did that feel? I hope you're feeling a little lighter, calmer, more steady. I had a lot of tension in my neck, a lot in my neck and a lot in my skull. So this feels a little looser now. I wasn't labeling it, I was just allowing it to be there and just moving it through the body. It doesn't matter what exactly caused it. It was there, tuned in, and I'm allowing it to move. And I might need to do this, and you might need to do this one more time, two more times, to release. It doesn't always happen once, but it's the practice. Meditating anywhere, tuning into wherever you are. So if you need more, there's the gratitude meditation, there's control, there's abundance. You can find them all. Do what you need to do. I've got a fly on my nose right now. Have a beautiful day.